Good morning, traders. I'm getting in late today. I see the news came out and I'm trying to analyze the chart on what it's doing, and I'm not sure exactly. Let's take a look here again. Yeah, it looks to me like code 2 is down. Yeah. Hang on. Let me take a better look at this. Hang on. Okay, I've just taken a short entry here, and yeah, it's gone short, and the code 2 hasn't really gone anywhere, and it's just all jumbled up here. The code 2 hasn't gone anywhere, and the code 2 is mathematically saying it's down. So I should have this nailed right here, this entry. We'll see. I can't tell yet, but I've got a code 1 short entry. It looks like code 2 is mathematically confirmed to be down. Yep, mathematically confirmed to be down. So I should have the right direction. I should have the right entry. I'm going for it here. I'll be right back. Stop has been set at 67, right there. It's looking pretty good here. Maybe I can just hold this one entry and hit the, let's see, should be able to hit 100 ticks or close to it. How about 90 ticks? Something like that. I'll have to calculate the exit. If only I would have gotten up the normal time this morning early and took the trade that I called yesterday in the charting service, I would have this thing aced right now. And I'm sure many of you out there, you subscribers, do. As I'm sure you took the trade I was talking about. And it's looking really good right now. Isn't that cool, though, that you can tell, like for instance, here it is, trading. Which way is it going to go, up or down? Well, mathematically, you can tell it's going to go down using the rules and the parameters of code 2. You can tell mathematically that it's going to move down today. Pretty cool, huh? And not only could I tell it was going to be down because of the code 2, but also I can tell where my exit's going to be. That it will go below that low right there. Imagine that. Tell where the entry is, where the exit's going to be. How much money is that worth to you? I'll be back. Okay, just want to show really quick that I have placed my exit for 80 ticks at 42.72. That is based upon the code 2. My entry is not really good, so I'm going to go for 80 ticks instead of 100 ticks today. Should be able to get it. Okay, I will come back and show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. But to say once again, code 2 was mathematically confirmed to be down. I could see that when it was way up here, even though it was looking like it was going to go up. I could see that it, that the code 2 said it was going to go down. I took a short position. Here's my entry. Here's where it is now. I'm calling for it to go below here and hit my 72 exit. And when it happens, you'll be amazed, right? Okay, I'll be back. And the only reason why it's not happening every day right now is because the market is so tight. When this market opens up after August, after the summer, I'll be able to hit this almost virtually every day. Also, one of the least understood things about the code, about code 2, is the mathematical, your ability to be able to, at a certain point, be able to tell mathematically which direction code 2 is for sure. And that's worth a lot of money. People don't realize that. That one rule that you can use of the code 2 to mathematically know which direction it will go is worth a lot of money. A lot of money to anybody. All you have to do is use that right. Okay, I'll come back. All my charting subscribers out there, you guys should be nailing this if you were taking it right where I said I was going to. And you should actually have, aced entry into this. My charting service, ladies and gentlemen, is predicting this before it happens. I am tracking the code 2, the same code 2 yesterday is the code 2 today, and I tracked it. All you had to do was take it, and you would ace this trade right here. And that's what the charting service can do for you, among many other things. Teach you and guide you on the daily chart what this thing's going to do, go up or down, which I've been doing pretty good at, and usually always do pretty good at. But the real value to it is being able to track the code 2 so you know what it'll be for the next day, and to learn how all this works. The code 2, the code 1, the combination of the two put together. Free trade yourself from code 1 into code 2, and to study the charts every day so that you understand how this system works and can apply it properly and make money. It's really that simple. My system is designed for the person, for the individual who wants to learn how to do this for themselves. Doesn't want to pay for this or that. I mean, you're going to pay for the charting service, that's true. But instead of you just paying month to month forever, you're going to pay until you learn how to do it, and then you won't have to do it anymore if you don't want to. Or you could just have me track it for you forever, that's fine, but at some point, it gives you the opportunity to learn how to do it for yourself. And that's, worth a lot. See, it's bouncing up here. Why not get out and take what profit I got? And you know what I mean? That's what people would do. And then you only make that much. But if you know what to do, and you know when to hold, you know where to get in, you know when to hold, you know where to get out, and it's successful, then just like, you make a lot more money. Instead of making $1,400, I could make, $4,000. It's a big difference. Then when I lose, I only lose a certain amount. So you see, your winners are way bigger than your losers. And therefore, it allows you to trade and really get way ahead instead of spinning your wheels. That's why code 2 is so good. The only reason why it's been tough lately is because the market's so tight. When this market opens back up again, you're going to see 100-tick trades made virtually every day. There's nothing like it. Okay, so we just broke below that bottom right there. Now we're here, and now we still have to break below this bottom. And when it breaks below this bottom at 80, it should hit my exit at 72 pretty quickly and easily. So my exit's at a good spot, good easy mathematical spot. Gives me 80 ticks, good trade. One trade, 80 ticks, using the code 2, and I came in late to do it with. I'm not exactly sure what time I came in. I think about 8 a.m., something like that, my time. So I came in like after the news came out and everything, and was still able to take a trade and hit it for 80 ticks. Not bad, huh? There's nothing like code 2. Well, I haven't hit it yet, but I will. Nothing like code 2. Nothing like being able to mathematically tell which direction it's going to go. Nothing like being able to know that it will break below here, and go down to 72 and get you out. Is there a system like that anywhere in the world? Not that I'm aware of. Only my system. Only this system. Anyway, I'll be back shortly to show you the outcome of this trade. It shouldn't be much longer, and we should get out at the 72. It's on its way down now. It's moved back up here a bit on me from the bottom down here. But notice I'm just still holding, going for the exit. Here's the entry. Exit is at 72. That's the mastery of the code system and the code 2. When you learn and perfect this system, you become the Grand Master Trader. Okay, I have placed a protective stop on this trade at 43.32. This will lock in a 20 tick profit. The trade is currently trading down here. Oops, pass it up. At 43.09. So if it goes up here to 32, it's going to stop me out. But it will lock in 20 ticks for the day. Otherwise, hopefully, it will continue to go down, break below this low, and then hit my 72 exit. If not, it's a 20 tick day today. It's been running tight. That's why I'm doing that, to give it 20 ticks. But I'm also giving it a chance to go and hit the exit as well. I'm going to step away for just a little bit, and then I'll come back. So that's why I'm putting the protective stop there in case it does go up. And if it continues to go down, then it'll go and hit the exit. I'll be back in just a little while. But I just wanted to show you how I'm handling this. Be back shortly. I am back now. You can see that it came really close to my stop. I've got it set at 32, and it went to 29, it looks like. 29 3 times. So it came real close to the stop up there. I'm just going to let it go here now. I'll keep the stop in place. Just let it go. It's either going to hit the stop and lock in 20 ticks for today, or it'll hit the exit at 72 and lock in 80 ticks. So 20 or 80. Or I'll exit manually, let's say in about 2 hours. One way or another. Now if it comes real close to the exit but doesn't quite hit, I'll go ahead and exit manually down there. Just want to get that big trade down there. Anyway, or it'll hit the 20 ticks. So at least 20 ticks is locked in for today. I'll be back. But just as a side note, market's tight. Man, the market's tight. Wow, I hate this. I hate this tight market. It really needs to open up and start to move again. It will. It's particularly tight right now in August here. But it could start picking up at any time. Oh, by the way, so far its range is exactly the same as yesterday's, which makes me believe that it possibly is just over with now, and it's not going to go lower than here. It's very possible. Okay, this crazy thing has just stopped me out. It just went up, broke that high, hit my stop, 32 right there. It's now trading at 35, so, it came up, hit the stop. At this point, it's pretty late for it to come all the way back down and break below here now. So that's pretty much over. And today is the range today is the same exact range as yesterday. Very tight. Although yesterday had a 200 tick preceding it, then had a tight range. Today it doesn't have anything preceding it, and still it's a tight range. So it's tight out there. It really is tight. It's tight. It's choppy. Not an easy day for trading. Certainly not an easy day for the code 2. I was up about, let's see, about 50 ticks. No, I wasn't at 52. No, I was up 60 ticks right there. 60 ticks I was up and couldn't hit the extra 40. Oh, man. That doesn't usually happen. It's just tight right now. This won't last. It's possible it could last the rest of August. It's possible. But it won't last forever. And it'll go back to normal again and start hitting the big trades. Okay, I'm going to go. Happy trading, traders. Have a good rest of the day. Hope you're doing better than me. And I'll see you tomorrow. And I'll do the charting in just a little while. Happy trading.